Hi guys, I'm going to show you something cute that I found at Dollar General, something that I use to decorate above my stove area. I was tired of it looking plain, so I added a little bit of my personality to it. So this is what I found. I love coffee and all that great stuff, and that's what it is. So this is what I found. This is the actual box that I got from Dollar General. Now how it comes, only $5. And the only thing you do, it came like on this, so you only thing you have to do is just like kind of peel off and just apply. It's easily to apply on, and it's easily to if you want to remove it. So just something like a little cute idea. If you have you just want to kind of decorate, or you just want to personalize above your stove area in your kitchen. Just something like real cute, simple, easily to apply, and also easily to come off. Just a little cute idea. Just, something just to add a little bit of personality to your kitchen. Okay, blogging with April.